Madhumita. Why? This tuition. In your phone, ask Sankalp, ready? What, daddy?
Numbers.
Contact. Wait.
Sir, good evening, sir.
You have to ask for you. Good evening, sir.
That student told.
Yes, sir. Yes, good evening, students. Okay, students. My name is Dinesh. I teach mathematics, students. Yes, student, you tell for mathematics easy or difficult? I'll request all students in case ಏನರ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, students, ಇದೀರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, in 10th standard mathematics, total 15 lesson is there, student. Today, I'll teach first lesson, arithmetic progression. Okay, student. In this chapter, students, 4 marks question, 1 question is there in exam. And 2 marks question, 1 question. Student, 1 marks question, 1 question. Total 7 to 8 marks in this lesson. Total how many marks, students? 7 to 8 marks. Student, first I'll give basic, students. After I'll start arithmetic progression, student. Yes, student. In 10th standard mathematics, total 15 lesson is there, student. Out of 15 lesson, first lesson arithmetic progression, it is noted by AP. See, in this lesson, student 4 marks question, 1 question, 2 marks question, 1 question, 1 marks question, 1 question, total 7 to 8 marks in this lesson. First, I'll give basic, students. After I will start arithmetic progression, student. Basic is very important, student. Yes, student. First basic concept. Student, first basic concept, sequence. Yes, students. Student, in the lesson start ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I think arithmetic progression start ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ I will start basic, student, related to arithmetic progression, student. ಈ basic ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ arithmetic progression easy ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Yes, student. First basic concept, sequence. Student, what is sequence? Student, sequence means what? Okay, an orderly arrangement of numbers. For example, student, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on, continue. Dash, dash, dash. Okay, student, first basic concept, which one, student? Sequence. Student, what is sequence? An orderly arrangement of number. Student, order arrange ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ? See, multiples of 5. 5 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 10, 10 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 15, 15 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 20. Okay, orderly arrangement of number according to certain rule. ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Which rule applied here? +5. ನೋಡಿ, 5 + 5 10, 10 + 5 15, 15 + 5 20. This process is called what, student? Sequence. What is sequence, student? An orderly arrangement of number according to certain rule. Okay, student. Tell me, this one is the sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, continue. Tell me, this is a sequence or not sequence?
Yes, sir.
Which rule applied?
Next 2 + 2 rule is applied.
2 + 2 4, 4 + 2 6, 6 + 2 8. ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? +2. ಟೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash dash. Is a sequence or not sequence?
Not sequence, sir.
Tell for remaining student, is a sequence or not sequence?
Sequence.
Which rule applies?
+2 rule is applied.
1 + 2 3, 3 + 2 5, 5 + 2 7. Same rule is there. This process is called what? Sequence. Okay, student, I'll give one more example. 30, 25, 20, 15, and so on, continue. Tell me, is a sequence or not sequence?
It is a sequence. -5.
Is a sequence, student. -5,
-5.
-5, -5. But the same rule ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. S is a sequence. Yes, tell me 100, 90, 80, 70, and so on, continue. Is a sequence or not sequence?
It is a sequence -10.
-10, -10, -10. But 100 -10, 90 is a sequence. I tell you one more. 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on, continue.
Into 2 is a sequence.
Into 2. 2
Multiples of
4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and so on, continue. Yes, this process is called sequence. Students, sequence esto rules ಇದೆ. Main important rules is very important, student. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. This process is called what? Sequence. Any doubt, student? First basic concept.
No, sir.
Okay. I'll request all
No,
students.
sir.
ನಾನು ಏನಾರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, student. First basic concept complete. Don't worry, student. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. notes na ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿರಿ. Okay, first basic concept sequence. I think first concept complete. Yes, students, second basic concept, terms of sequence. Okay, friends, second basic concept was terms of sequence. What is the terms of sequence? Okay, student, I'll give an example. 3, 6, 9, 12, dash, 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 n total. Help us, student, is a sequence or not sequence?
Yeah, sir, it is sequence.
Yes, sir, it is a
multiple of
sequence.
three.
Multiple of
Okay,
three.
student. What is the terms of sequence? Each number or individual number is known as what? Terms of sequence. I think first number, it is denoted by A1. Friend, second number, it is denoted by A2. Friend, third number, it is denoted by A3. Friend, fourth number, it is denoted by A4. And dash, 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 dash. Last number, it is denoted by AN. These process is called what? Terms of sequence. What is the terms of sequence today? Each number or individual number is known as what? Terms of sequence. Now, the first number is A1 anta kariyate. Second number A2. Third number A3. In case 10th number kotre A10. 20 ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ A20, 50 is given A50 and so on continue. Last term ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ it is denoted by AN. These processes is called what? Terms of the sequence. Yes, any doubt, students? Second basic concept, terms of the sequence.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, student, first basic concept sequence, second basic concept terms of the sequence. Yes, student. Third one, finite sequence. Third basic concept, finite sequence. Tell us, student, what is finite?
Limited.
Good, limited. Means, give an example. Student, finite sequence means what? Countable number of terms. Which one is a countable? That one is what? Finite sequence, student. For example, one natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 100. But if last term kottidane andre, that one is what? Finite sequence. Which one is a countable? That one is what? Finite sequence. Next, last concept, infinite sequence. Tell us, student, what is infinite sequence?
The number of terms are unlimited.
Means uncountable number of terms, student. Which one is the uncountable number of terms, student? Set of even number 2, 4, 6, 8 dash 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 dash. End point is not there, student. That one is what? Infinite sequence. In case end point is there, that one is what? Finite sequence. Countable, that one is what? Finite. Uncountable, that one is what? Infinite sequence. The four concept is very, very important. First one, what is sequence? Second one, terms of the sequence. Third one, finite sequence. Fourth one, infinite sequence. Student, any doubts? Four concept?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. You take part? Yaru host. Okay. Yaru host ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ? Sir, display ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ co-host ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಾನು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes, student. See, 4 concept is very, very important, student. Now we start basic problem, student. Is very important, student. Basic problem. After we start arithmetic progression, student. Now basic ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ AP easy ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, student. Yes, take the first question. Right, first question. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence whose nth term is, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, nth, whose nth term is 2n plus 3, whose nth term is 2n plus 3, whose nth term is 2n plus 3. Yes, student. 2 minutes. Listen here, student. I will do first one same as it is remaining all problems, students. And first problem ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ as it is remaining, students. Yes, student. Question what? Whose nth term? Student, nth term it is denoted by an, means last term. Equals how much is the student? 2n plus 3. Okay. I think an equals how much is the student? 2n plus 3. But find the first 3 terms. So which one is the first 3 terms? A1, A2, A3. Now one by one substitute here, student. A as it is. N value how much, student, here? 1. First n value 1 substitute equals 2 into n value 1 plus 3. Yes, student, 2 1s are 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes, you got first term. I think A1 equals 5. Now you take n equals 2, student. Now substitute here. A2. N value 2 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A2 equals 2 into n value 2 plus 3. Multiply, student. 2 2s are 4 plus 3. So when 4 plus 3 equals how much? 7. I think A2 equals how much? 7. After you substitute, student, n value 3. Substitute here. A3 equals 2 into, student, n value 3 plus 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. I think A3 equals how much? 9. Tell me which one is the first 3 terms? 5, 7, 9. Therefore, the first 3 terms are, the first 3 terms, the first 3 terms are 5, 7, 9. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, student. First you write this one, after I'll give one more question. ಇದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ. It's all basic problems, student. Okay, students, complete part. Yes, students, complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, I'll give one more question, same concept, take one. Yes. Take first, student, same concept. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term is 4n plus 5. Whose nth term is 4n plus 5. Whose nth term is 4n plus 5. Find out first 4 term. A1, A2, A3, A4. I give 2 or 3 minutes, student. Same procedure you find out, student.
9, 13, 17, 21.
Very good, girl. Very good.
Sir, 9, 13, 17 and 21.
Very good.
Sir,
Good. Silpa.
in the nth term, we should find the 4n plus 5, right, sir? It's not that we need to start from A1. It's that we can start from any number.
Question what, Pa? Find the first 4 terms whose nth term value is given. Which one is the nth term? An equals 4n plus 5. Nth term it is denoted by an. An
Yes,
equals
sir.
4n plus 5. But find the first 4 terms. See, A1. First 4 term means A1, A2, A3, A4. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
take n equals 1. Substitute here. A1, n value 1 equals 4 into n value 1 plus 5. 4 ones are 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. I think A1 equals 9. Same, n equals 2. Substitute here. A2 equals 4 into n value 2 plus 5. 4 2s are 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Next to take n equals 3. Substitute here. A3 equal 4 into 3 plus 5. 4 3s are 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 equals how much? 17. I think A3 equals 17. Now you take n equals 4. A4 equals 4. See 4 as it is into n. N value 4 plus 5 as it is. 4 4s are 16 plus 5 equals 21. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
Remaining student ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes or no? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
No, sir.
Sir.
Yes, students, take one. Complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining student, I'll give 1 minute time. So write pa, after I'll start third one. Okay, students, take the next one. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term is n square divided by n plus 1. Whose nth term is n square divided by n plus 1. Okay, students, simple concept, students, same procedure. But nth term, it is noted by an equals n. But an equal n square divided by n plus 1. Now find out first 4 term. A1, A2, A3, A4. But first n value 1 substitute madapa. N value 1. N value 1 square divided by n value 1 plus 1.
Sir,
Right.
1 by 2, 4 by 3, 9 by 4, and 16 by 5.
Very good, very good. Friend, 1 square, 1 ones are 1, 1 plus 1, 2. You got first term. Same as it is, if I know student, A2, A3, A4. Yes. Tell for remaining students, A2 value how much?
4 by 3, 9 by 4, 8 by 5.
9 by 4.
8 by 5.
16 by
5. Good, very good, very good. Okay, students, complete pa?
Finished, sir.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ
Okay.
ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಗಂಟೆ ಕಟ್ಬೋದು?
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಯಾರದು? Okay, students. Take my next method. Find the 20th term. Student, find the 20th 20. Find the 20th term of the sequence. Find the 20th term of the sequence if an equals 3n minus 10. Find the 20th term of the sequence if an equals 3n minus 10. Okay, students. I'll do first one, student, same as it is remaining problem. Student,
50,
question
sir.
part. Help up.
50. Answer is
Correct. Student, 2 minutes. Question 1. Find the 20th term. Student, first term it is denoted by A1. Second term A2. Third term A3. ಅದೇ ತರ 20th ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A20. Student, 20th term it is denoted by A20. ನೋಡಿ n value ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. n replace how much is given 20. Now substitute here. A20 equals 3 into student n value how much is there 20 minus 10. 23 is a 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10 equals how much 50. Student A20 equals 50. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students, same as it is, you find out second one, students. If an equals 2n square plus 5, then find first one A3, second one A10.
$23 and $25.
Yes, students.
23 and 205.
Very good, 100% correct. Friends, I will do first one, student. First one ಏನಿದೆ A3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You take an equal 2n square plus 5. ನೋಡಿ n value how much is the student 3. Now substitute here. 2 into student n value how much 3 square plus 5. Student 2 into 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 5. 9 2s are 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 equals 23. I think A3 equals 23. Same as it is, if find out A10, student.
205.
Very good. I think 8n equals 205. Good, very good. Yes,
Sir,
remaining
8n
students
equals-
complete pa?
Sir, 8n is equals to 205.
Very good. Yes, remaining students complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ 8n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Take for student next one, next method. If an equal n square plus 4, if an equal n square plus 4 and an equals 200 and an equals 200, find the value of n. Find the value of n. Okay, students. I will do first one, student. After I give one more problem. Student, simple concept, student. An value is given, student. An equals n square plus 4. Okay. To take condition, an value how much is there, student? 200. Now substitute here. An value how much is there, student? 200. Right here 200 equals n square plus 4.
16, sir, answer.
What one?
16.
Students, 200 as it is, plus 4 you take this side, minus 4 equals n square. Student, n square equal 200 minus 4 equals what? 196. Student, square cancel ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ square root on both sides. Square root to get cancelled. N equal, I think you all studied 8th and 9th studied square root of 196 equals how much, student? 14. See, n equals how much? 14. See, this one is what? Answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Yes, friends. I'll give one more question, same concept, student. If an equals n square plus 5 and an equals 41, then find n, small letter n.
Answer is 6, sir.
Help us, student.
6 is answer.
6 correct. Good, very good. Yes, remaining students.
6, sir.
Very good.
6.
Very good.
6. Sir, 6.
Good, very good. Okay, students. Yes, remaining students. There doubts in the second one now.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Take for next one. Third one, student, same procedure. If an equals n cube ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ student. n cube minus 1 and an equals 26, then find n.
Three is answer.
Very good, very good. 3 correct. Good girl. पा सकते हैं.
Sir, 3.
Very good. Yes, student, simple. Very good. 100% correct. Student, simple concept, student. An equals n cube minus 1. Donkey fellow, an value is given. How much is given? 26. Right here, 26 equals n cube minus 1 as it is. See, 26. Student, minus 1 you take this side, plus 1 equals n cube. Student, n cube equals 26 plus 1 equals how much? 28. 26 plus 1 how much, student? 27. Okay, student. Now square is there, now square root on both sides. In case cube is there, student, cube root on both sides. The cube root cancel. Remaining n equals, I think you asked 8th and 9th standard cube roots. Cube root of 27 equals how much, student? 3. See, this one is what answer. Okay, students. Yes, students, complete pa?
Finished, sir.
Good, very good. All basic concepts, students. ಇನ್ನ ಲೆಸನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಸನ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Last concept, students. If an equals n square minus 1, if an equal n square minus 1, then find an minus 1. Second one, an plus 1. If an equals n square minus 1, then find an minus 1 and an plus 1. Okay, students, I will do first one, same as it is second one, student. Right, simple way, student. Now you take condition an equals n square minus 1. But first one answer, student. Which one is the first one, student? an minus 1. Student, n replace n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ here n minus 1. ಇವಾಗ n ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n minus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. n value n minus 1 equals student n value how much is there, student? n minus 1 whole square minus 1 as it is. Simple way, student. ಈ n ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು n minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Equals, friend, which formula applied here? A minus b whole square. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? a minus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a square minus 2ab plus b square. But a value how much is the student? n. ನೋಡಿ a equals n. b value how much is the student? 1. b equals 1. ಈ a and b value ನ substitute this formula. ನೋಡಿ a ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು n ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, n square minus 2 into a value n into b value 1 plus b square means 1 square. Last how much is there, student? Minus 1. ನೋಡಿ student, a minus b whole
Sir,
square.
b value is minus 1.
Huh?
B value is minus 1.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 whole square ಬರ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b value minus b, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, b value 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Student, n square multiply 2 into n 2n plus 1 square equals, student, 1. Last how much? Minus 1. ನೋಡಿ plus 1 minus 1 cancel ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Remaining what? n square minus 2n. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, same as it is, do second one, student.
Sir, answer is n square minus 2n plus 2.
Oh, no. ಇದು 1 plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ, n square plus 2n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, n square plus 2n.
Very good, very good. Simple way students, second one. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n plus 1 ಇರೋದು, ನೋಡಿ n plus 1. ಸೇಮ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n plus 1, n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ n plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a plus b ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 2ab plus b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 2n. Yes, students. Okay, students, complete for student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Yes, student. Today class, any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. This is all basic concepts. Student, next class I will start first lesson, arithmetic progression. Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, student. Bye, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Thank you, sir.